like a different car altogether. Yeah, look at this. Oh. What's up, guys? Happy Father's Day. And today I wanted to take you and show you how DJ Tanders celebrates Father's Day. And today it's gonna be a blast. So let's go check it out. If you have been following my Instagram posts, the other day I actually took it to the shop to install my Science of Speed goodies, downpipes, JB4 tune, and wheel spacers. I haven't really had a chance to explore the new wonders of the car, so today is the day, guys. Today's the day when we're gonna be looking at how fast the car is, how loud the car is, and more importantly, how fun it is to drive. So let's do a quick cold startup so you guys could hear the new wonders of this new NSX. Let's go check it out. All right, you guys have heard how loud the beast is. So we're gonna take it for a spin and hopefully I don't get pulled over. All right, let's go ride the car. Dang, it feels like a different car altogether. Yeah, look at this. Whoa. Dang. Woo-hoo. This is definitely a very good Father's Day gift. Oh my goodness. I love the car. It's definitely a lot different than before. A lot more pep. A lot more, I don't know, a lot more everything. It's definitely good. I love it. It feels like the car is so powerful right now. It's like the amount of money I spent on mods is absolutely worth it. For now, I'm gonna be driving, but I'm still driving, by the way. But I'll be right back because it's getting really crazy. All right, I'll be back. We're gonna be going to Santiago Canyon because that's the only windy road that I know here in Orange County. So that's where we're going to try out the new setup. I'm so blown away by the mods, the response, and just overall feel of the car. It feels like it's almost like a totally new car, a different car all the way through. So I can't take my smile out of my face. So we'll see more once we get to the twisties. So far, I'm really loving it. So, Science of Speed, thank you again. It's burbling, guys. It's burbling. I love it. Oh my goodness. What a blast, guys. I really enjoyed it. I love this car even more. Whew. Now it's time to go home, spend Father's Day with the fam. I got what I wanted, yeah, we're headed home. I'll see you in a bit. What a blast, guys. It was such a blast. Oh my goodness, I can't take off my smile off my face. It's just too good. It's one of the best cars that I've really owned and built to date. Oh my goodness. It's just intoxicating. But for now, we're gonna let the car rest. Let the engine breathe, and I'm pretty sure you can hear that car. It's not loud, but it's good enough. So good. I want to do it again.